In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Add to Cart event snippet to your Shopify store in just 5 minutes. If you've been looking to enhance your e-commerce experience by tracking when products are added to the cart, then you're in the right place. This feature can give you essential insights into customer behavior and help you optimize your online store performance. So without further ado, let's dive into the process. The first step is to log into your Shopify admin panel. If you're not already familiar, this is where you manage your entire Shopify store, from products and orders to themes and settings. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Shopify homepage, which shows you a broad but clear overview of your store's performance. Next, we need to navigate to the online store section. So on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see several options. Head over to Online Store, and once you're there, click on Themes. The Themes section is essential because it's where you control the design and many functionalities of your store. Your current active theme is shown at the top of the page. Now that we're in the Themes section, it's time to work directly with your store's code. Opposite your active theme title, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Actions. Click on it, and a few options will appear. From this list, select Edit Code. Be sure to be careful from this step forward, as you'll be interacting with the code that makes up your online store. Once you're in the code editor, look to the left sidebar with files under various directories. Here, we need to find a specific file. Depending on your Shopify theme, you should either open product.liquid or producttemplate.liquid. These files might be located under the Sections or Templates folders. If you don't see them immediately, don't worry. Just scroll through to find either file, as they are essential for customizing the product pages. Inside the product file that you open, the goal is to locate the code for your Add to Cart button. This button is either encompassed within a tag or a standalone button element. Have a keen eye for these, as they are a crucial part of this process. Once you locate the required code, the next step is to paste your Add to Cart event snippet just before the closing tag. The location is quite critical because the snippet needs to be triggered correctly when the button is activated during a user's session. Finally, don't forget to click Save after making these changes. The Save option is usually at the top right of the editor. Saving your work is as important as making the changes, as it ensures all your edits are stored and implemented on your live site. And there you have it. Your Add to Cart tracking is set up on your Shopify store in just a few simple steps. If you ever wish to make additional changes, you can always return to the code editor and experiment. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.